Now here we see that the paper jam sensor is blocked because a piece of paper has remained here inside. So I think that we just need to remove this piece of paper and the fuser will be okay. But in this case we have also seen if there is any other problem with the fuser. But let's remove yet the piece of paper that is here inside. Now this was the paper that blocked the fuser. So the next thing we're going to do is to reassemble the printer, and then we're going to check if the fuser is okay now.